During a disaster, there's a good chance you won't be at home. A Go Kit helps you stay safe and supplied with essentials to survive. Building a Go Kit is simple and doesn't take long. Be sure to include food, a first aid kit, flashlights, warm clothes, medications, and don't forget comfort items. A Go Kit also needs to be light and portable so you can keep it with you at work, in your vehicle, or while you're commuting or traveling. Water is usually available after a disaster strikes, but if you're not careful, you can get really sick. Just remember, water is critical to survival, but heavy. You can't carry a lot of it around with you. Always carry a couple of small containers of water. There are other options. Carry a collapsible water bladder that can easily be refilled with clean water. Invest in a portable water filter so you can safely drink water you find. There are many water filtration and purification options that are simple and lightweight, including purification tablets. Also, keep a flint striker or matches and a small pot in your Go Kit so you can boil water. Just make sure you have a way to purify water when you make your Go Kit. Clean water is essential to your survival and comfort. For more suggestions for your emergency kits and to learn more, go to mil.wa.gov/preparedness. Learn more about earthquake protective actions at shakeout.org.